So in this video, we are going to talk about how to start your journey as a blogger. What should be your first step? So let's get started. Hello everyone, and this is Harshil Surana here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's free, yeah, just do it. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our video updates. So now we are creating a series on how to become a blogger, in which we'll be covering all the topics regarding it, and you'll come to know step by step like what all things you should do if you want to become a blogger. So this is the first episode. So let's get started. So now we are going to talk about how are you going to start your journey as a blogger. So for starting a journey as a blogger, it is very important to understand why do you want to start this journey. Like, why do you want to become a blogger? What is the reason behind it? What is the motive behind it? So for this question, I'm sure you might be having many of the answers. Like, there might be many answers, like such as you want to convey your idea or thoughts to the people through blogs, or maybe you want people to stay updated with your blogs, or maybe you want to sell some products or services via blog, or maybe you want to pass on some particular experience or knowledge which you have to the audience, right? So there might be many reasons or many answers to this question. So now you might have got the answer to the question. So now I'd like to tell you one more thing. The blog has the ability to educate, to sell, to promote, to convey message, to convey ideas. Anything, everything is possible, just only if you are clear what are your intention behind starting a blog since the beginning. Now let's discuss few of the steps which you should follow in the initial stage. So the step number one is select a proper niche, which means if you're good or if you have all the knowledge about one particular topic, just stick to it, mainly focus on those topics and create blogs on those topics. So let's take an example. If you're good at fashion or if you have all the knowledge about fashion, then start doing fashion blogging, like start writing your blogs and everything related to fashion, right? So this was the example one. Now let's talk about the second example, which is like if you are good in cooking or if you have all the knowledge about food. So what you can do is you can start food blogging, or like you can start writing blogs or reviews on the food. So these were the few examples was through which you will come to know how exactly you decide your niche. So now you will be like, Harshal, is it necessary to select a niche and stick to it? Yeah, it is, my dear friend, because once you stick to one particular niche or something, there are many benefits or like there are many reasons to it. So don't worry about it. Why is it necessary to stick to one niche and create all your blogs regarding it, or create on those topics? I'll tell you. So why is it necessary to stick to the one niche and create blogs on those topics? It is necessary because which will helps you to enhance your knowledge, because if you stick to one niche and you have started creating blogs on those topics, you go in depth of those topics, so you have all the knowledge about it, and once you have all the knowledge about it, it becomes easy for you to transfer that knowledge to your audience via blog. So this was the first reason. Now the second reason is कि your audience come to know exactly what kind of blogs you write. So it becomes easy for them to understand. And then if they understand what exactly kind of blogs you write, so they can come again and again and read your blogs. And even you can target a kind of audience. Like if you're a food blogger, you can target all the foodies on everything. So this was the second reason. Now the third reason. It helps you in monetizing your blog, which means if you have the targeted audience who are interested in you, and if you are creating a particular like blogs on particular niche or something, so even you are providing a proper in-depth knowledge about it, so your audience will come again and read those blogs and something, which will help you a lot in monetizing your blogs. So this were few reasons why is it necessary to stick to one niche and create blogs. So that's it for today. So now you came to know how do you start your journey as a blogger, what are the steps do you follow in the initial stage, and how do you select a niche for your blogs. So if you want to start your journey as a blogger, so ask this question to yourself and get all the answers to it and then start a journey. And if you haven't selected a niche till now, then just do it right now. And please go below in the comment section and let me know what is the reason behind you starting a blog, or like why do you want to become a blogger, and what is the one niche which you have selected and why have you selected it. So, and if you have liked this video and found it valuable, Please like it and share it with your family and friends. It might help them too. Till then, take care. Goodbye.